malakas na. Picture ka dyan, no? Picture ka dyan. Video lang yun. Yeah, tiger view. Wala, motor lang meron. Ano gusto nyo dito? Sa Tokyo. So, dahil dyan pagkas kumain bago tayo mag-Marble Mount. Umulan naman. Ha? Para mabuhasan yung plastic. Ha? Kasi open siya. Sa labas. Ah. Mamaya na. Dadaan naman tayo dyan, umuulan eh. Hmm? Hindi, wala.
Wala ang
Pang bukas? Noodles. Tayo puan. Wala tayo puan. Hindi, oh. Wala. Doon na lang tayo, lipat na lang tayo doon. Ha? Wala mo.
Pakajong! Ha? Pakajong! Pakajong!
Okay. Doon tayo sa kabila. Kabila na. Baka doon. Sabi niya, baka doon. Sige, sunod, sunod, sunod. Ito? Well, sa kanya rin ata yan eh. Ayun oh. Ayun. Yun din yun eh. Po back high. O, doon, sarap. Ha? Dito ka? Walang banyo sa labas pa yung banyo sa iba. Doon? Hindi, hiwalay din. Ay, doon sa labas. Hiwalay nga yung store doon. Yung anong gusto niyo? Beef noodles. Baka madami, gano'n kadami sa likod. Isang tao lang. Ano sa'yo? Beef noodles? Sa labas at taban. Ano? Hello. How much for this?
30,000.
30,000. Can you give me two?
Two. Spicy okay.
One spicy nut. Yes.
Vegetable okay.
Yes. For takeout. So go. How about special bread? How much? 40. Kaya add one. Yes. Galing mag-English ah.
Turo-turo lang dito eh.
May poka nga
Hindi
eh.
na uso yung ganyan. Ito. Ito.
Dito lahat ng pantay may gulay. Okay, kain ka na. Tingin pa. Ah.
Yan na pala.
Mahaba pa yan. May ilaw. Ayan na, may isa pang tuloy yun. Hmm? Ayan na yung ulo ng dragon. Oh. Wala na.
Sabi kulay. Ito ba?
Doon ulit tayo entrance kanina. Babalik tayo doon sa kanina. Dito tayo makapag drone shot. Wala, yung ulan eh.
Wala ba waterproof?
Waterproof nga. Eh, pag nabasa yung lens, nagkakaroon ng watermarks.
Hindi na nalaro ni Daddy din.
O ano, ayaw pala dali niya laro mo. Ayun o, 999.
Kaya pala.
Si Mami. Di video. Galing oh. Teka. Yes.
This is a museum. So if you want to hear, you go in there, buy ticket. You go buy ticket.
We already have ticket. We
Really?
just got to the restroom.
Okay. Here, okay. So you have a guide to speak
Yes.
to you already?
Come on. Sabi, come on.
Come on.
Thank you. Come on. Come on. Nakakalimutan ka na how much?
Ayan. Ito na siya. Hey sir. Punta mo na.
You're gonna put your umbrella on the chair.
Upo muna tayo. Magtutur tayo. Tour.
Ano yung TV niya?
Siguro dyan ang presentation. Ha? Tara na yun. Sarili lang to. Sana tumigil ang ulan. Yeah, si Mami daw hinahanap. Ha? Four people si Mami daw. Ano si Mami?
Sorry.
Let me check, my mother's missing.
I remember there is a lady.
Mami! Ikaw na hinahanap mo. Ito na. Nalilikaw ka. Hindi mo na-engineer. Four people daw. Kapit? Hindi. Upo na. Dali, ikaw na lang hihintay. Upo ka na. Mag-start na. Ikaw na. Sa baba. Iwan mo na doon sa baba.
Alright, can I have your attention?
Yes.
My name is Ikam, C-I-M, spelled like that. So I'm your guide, and I have you check around the museum. So this museum about stone carving work, how to make statue. So I mean about 300 years ago, this region was small village. Every house, every family, they could make statue, and they use and they carve stone from the mountain. And now that we go to the museum, we explore how to make statue of the past. And you will see a lot of statues that made by hand. No mercury, no small technologies. Alright, shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay, this way.
Iwan mo muna daw dyan. Pwede na ito. Iwan mo muna yung kaya mo dyan. Okay nga lang.
Ay, hindi ka tayo lalabas.
Dito nga.
Okay. Maybe in the past, over 300 years ago, if I want to become a stone carver, I have to become a blacksmith man first. I mean, I have to create a tool for myself, so the hammer and chisel, I have to create them. And anyway, I also learned how to know how to identify which is iron and which is steel to create the best tools. Now I show you the more easy way. We can rely on the sound. I mean, we can listen to sound when we mix them all together. Now listen, this is the sound of the steel. Steel. And this is the sound belong to the iron. Now listen carefully to compare them. Okay, the sound is still more higher. After we learn everything about the blacksmithing work, from 3 to 6 months, maybe more, we continue going out teacher, go inside the forest about Marble Mountain to find good rock. Let's show you this way. This one.
Ganun talaga. Hindi, ito talaga Marble Village talaga siya. Lahat na ng family kayang gumawa.
Next, we continue to learn how to cut the stone. We have 3 ways. Number 1, we remove chisel like this into the rock. 1, 2, 3, and I hammer very big chisel in the center of the rock. And then I do hammer at the top. The rock will be broken. Number 2, the second way is sand. So we do long chisel. I mean, the chisel more longer. It's very long here. So we did like this. We hammer and we could take the chisel. So this way, can 2 chisel go deep inside the rock, and we continue hammer many chisel like this, and then you hammer the hand again, the rock will be broken. And number 3, this is the best way, that use the sword. Okay, if you just use the sword to cut the rock, it's very hard. So the best way that we use techniques like that, we use water from the jar and combine the sand into 3 grams. I mean, this way you sand and water to create the friction to cut the rock. This is the best way. The slide stone is very smooth. So if you stone carver, you want to cut stone by use the sword method, it took 1 to 3 months. Here, like this one.
Yung alagari. Nalalagari nila.
Yeah, and now I show you how to create a stone bracelet. First we put stone here and we repair it. Don't forget 2 important elements, water and sand. Combine together under stone pile and put this stone pile. And then continue put stone pile to cut crab and then taste to cut them. So maybe it took 30 minutes. So after that I got this one. And I continue cut them into small pieces like this. And I continue grind the floor many hours. 1, 2, 3.
Para komentar.
1 to 2 hours for one side, and that's with another side.
1 to 2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours. So maybe 4 hours. I got this one. I continue. It's not finished yet. The stone cover continue use more stone. The polish is the got more smooth, more beautiful. So if you want to carve your name, your animal, animal save, maybe it's a more long time, maybe for 1 hour. Okay. So in the past, only the noble family that could buy it. Okay.
Yun pala. Kaya pala mahal ang marble.
Well, I have to say, nowadays, Vietnamese people cannot use stone from the Marble Mountain. We have to buy stone from any country, like China and India, or we import the stone from the other provinces in Vietnam. Now take a look, if you want to make statue, maybe you have many tools, but you know the hammer, but we have many type of chisel here, they're also different about the same. So, now I show you, the point chisel is so famous. He did anything. He cut the rock. He created hair for human statue, like head, body, and leg. This one. And flat chisel to cut the rock over there, and he created the base. See that all statues have the base to stand on the ground. And the marble stone have the white color. I mean, the famous color is the white color, and the the marble stone have the good quality. You know, the White House in America, they also use the white color. Or Taj Mahal Temple in the India, they also use the marble stone. It's very hard. All right, so the next one, this one.
This is the very hard.
Take a look this way. This is the best stone in our we have. We call it the stone of the god, or the pagoda stone, a long, long time ago. Now take a look. Do you see the red color?
Yes.
Yeah. You can use your finger to touch them. This is the natural color. This is the real color. The dried.
Hawakan mo daw.
It's the
Pinatatang ko
real
yung...
color. Yeah. This color is extremely rare in Vietnam. Okay. Now let's go to the second floor. Let's see them when they become statue. Let's go.
Dito lang daw meron sa Vietnam yan. Red color. Ano daw? Godstone? Ano sabi niya?
God's blood.
Ah, God's blood.
Bad blood.
Hawaan na natin. At tumigil ang ulan.
Hindi pala hagdan nila dito, daddy, no?
Tumigil ang ulan man. Uy, sana tuloy-tuloy. Ah, ito siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the best statue universe we have. Oh right, and you see the color, the detail, it extremely impresses us. Oh well, yeah, you see the
This is the original color.
original color. I already told you the most beautiful color, the red color in the
Yes.
first floor. They are made from this stone. Okay.
This
right.
kind of stone is rare here in Vietnam.
It's extremely rare. Now they're not. Maybe it's not available in Vietnam. I mean, it's extremely rare. All right, let me tell you something. When you come here, maybe you see them everywhere. There are three common gods in Vietnam. All the family in Vietnam, we always worship him. We worship them. So let me talk about this one. I explain quickly. So the first man, he looked like a man and he carried a child. So you worship him, maybe your children got more healthier and you smile every day. Happy God. The number two, this man he symbolized about good career. So you worship him, you have a good job, so you have more monies. Money man, money God. And the last one look like oldest man here. If your family have the elder people like grandma, grandpa, or maybe yourself, you have more time to read, long lives, happy, money, and long life. Talk about three things for the life. Okay, so we have two versions of the long life God here. This version when he were 1,000 years old, and this version when he 10,000 years old. Now take a look, his forehead really big right now, and yeah, his forehead really big right now. So he get most of the power, more wisdom, more knowledge. He become a giant man, so he could ride giant bird in the sky. If you read the Chinese poem, Chinese literature, maybe you see him. Alright, over 500 years ago, we call this mountain over there by the name Monkey Mountain because we found a lot of monkey live there. But unfortunately, we don't have the monkey nowadays. But I want to tell you that we also have the monkey statue here. Here. Have you ever heard a story about the Monkey King?
Yes.
Yeah, 500 years. Fatal Celestial? Right. Okay, this way. This one, next one.
Monkey King. Nasa Dota yun eh. Laro namin ni Mimi. Ayos din ah. Ano meron?
Mother Mountain, they refer 5 mountains, and then they represent 5 elements: water, fire, earth, gold, and wood. Now I show you the position. Now we go to there. The West Mountain have another
Elevator.
water mountain. This is the water mountain. Water mountain. The next one is earth mountain. The next one is gold mountain. Gold or metal.
Yeah.
And the next metal mountain is the fire mountain. It's quite short from here. When you go up, you will see the over here. And the last mountain is the wood mountain. Behind back water mountain. 5 mountain, but you will only visit water
One.
mountain. Because the government only open water mountain. Alright, the other 4 you can't go yourself. But there is nothing in there, just tree and rock. Sometimes they have the pagoda or temples, but you know, it's not suitable for the tourists. It's too hard to plan.
Yes.
Alright, so the best one is just water mountain. They have a lot of beautiful landscape, caves, temple, and pagoda.
Diyan tayo punta. Water
Okay.
Mountain.
And I want to say that each mountains they have a unique color, like symbol. in the Gold Mountain, they have the yellow color. In the Earth and in the Wood Mountain, they have gray or dark color. But in the Fire Mountain, they have the pink or the red color, like this one. But especially here in Water Mountain, they have all colors, but the famous one is the white color. So we call this color is the pure white color. So we use pure white color to make that statue belong to religion, like Buddha. The Vietnamese people really love Buddhism. All right. Now let's go to the last area. Okay, you have a red there.
Yes. Yes.
This one.
Tanong mo. Sir, excuse me. Tanong mo. Sir, excuse me. Is this all made by hands?
Yeah, all statue in the museum made by hand.
Oh,
Yeah.
100%. Just hand. When you go outside, they are made by machine.
How many days?
Maybe under 100 years or more than 100 years.
No, before you make one of this, how many days?
How many? I'm sorry. Maybe from 1 to 6 months.
6 months for only one
Yeah, so
carpet.
I mean it depends on many factors about the size, faster, the topic. Yeah.
Ang mabakan, bayaran.
Yeah. So this one.
Oh. Yun ang ano din eh. Until now, your villagers are doing this by hand. I mean, until now, this day, you're still using hands.
Oh yes, sometimes they use hand.
No machine?
I mean, they combine hand method and machine. So the most common machine here, they use CNC machine. CNC machine combine many features like polish, cut, or save. Yeah, they have anything. Yeah, okay. This one.
Magamit na rin sila.
Well, I want to say
CNC.
that when you go to the museum, I mean, you wonder why here so have many statue. I mean, Hinduism statue, right? So I want to say this is about the history. More than 2,000 years ago, Vietnam not like this, not like the S letter safe. So we divide two lost region.
Yes.
So we are standing in the central Vietnam, right? So all the land in central Vietnam belong to Cham people, Cham. And Cham people, they have the Buddhism and Hinduism culture. And in the North Vietnam, they have the kingdom for Vietnamese people like me. So through the history, we have war, we have peace. So, but not today. The Vietnamese people, we unite the land. And the Cham people become the small community in our communities. And that's why this land also have the Hinduism culture not today. All right. Now let's take a look. This one from Pakistan, and this one is the result. Now you see the change color. This is the real color. When all the stone cover, they told me only you polish the real color stone will reveal it. We sold to us. Okay. So I'm not expert about gem, but when you buy gem, maybe you rely on manufacturer. And take a look. According to Tabulus, we call it the hardness scale. So diamond 10 points. So diamond the best gem in the world. The second we have ruby sapphire with 9 points, and they are ruby, the natural ruby. Could you tell me what one is the best? Yeah, we play the mini question here. What one is the best?
This one.
You choose this one, madam?
I don't know. Which one?
Madam, you choose this one. Two people choose pink color.
Yan, sir?
Pink. Oh, you choose the center one. Okay. Let's use the light.
Iilawan niya mismo yan.
Okay.
Yan.
Okay, the pink color. Now take a look.
Oh.
Do you see that it's a pure pink color? Only one color, and this color symbolize about the pure love. Okay, and the next one. And the next one is the bright color. Do you see that we have two colors inside, red color and pink color? This color is suitable to make the cherry or green. Alright, and this color have the meaning about the couple. And the last one. This is the dark red color. You see that we have
Yes.
3 colors inside: red color, dark red color, and pink color. These colors they mix each other to create the color look like our blood color. This color is extremely rare. Yeah. Oh, who chose this one?
Me.
Oh, congratulations. You're right. Okay, this one is the best. Okay. So two faster, maybe you consider when you got jam, hardness, and color. So let me show you the way how to know what is the real jam and what is the fake jam. Well, we have 2 classical methods. The first way we also use short line. You shine it through jam. And you see that the inside jam they also extremely complex, and there is no small air bubble inside jam. Maybe they all real from 80 to 90%. Why? Because jam already formed the earth million years, so they could not contain the air inside. So the second way, what you call this one? I call this is the crystal. I put crystal in the color liquid, colored water. Like coffee, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. So after 3 or 7 days, they have a little color inside. Jam or natural jam or rock will have 100% water absorption. They can take color from any liquids. But this way they belong many times ago. So now they may be all wrong, completely wrong. So nowadays people usually use UV light. UV light. You shine it through jam, and you have rely on your experience and your eyes to identify which real fake one. I'm sorry, this museum you can consider lots of more jam, the more knowledges. Alright, that's all about the museum. Maybe we just have a short time, but I will support you about the information about tickets that you have a good experience when you go visit the mountain. And you know, we have the heavy rain today, so I will recommend something best for you that you save your time and easy to plan. Alright, that's what. Anyone, do you want to use a restroom again?
Mag-share ba kayo ulit? Bakit? Pupunta na tayo doon. Mag-share ka ulit? Hindi na? No.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
This way.
Wala ba siya doon?
Wala sa taas.
Hindi na tayo mag-mountain.
Magma-Marble Mountain pa rin. Safest way lang.
Where do you grow? Philippines.
Ah. Halika, abante. Doon tayo sa kabila. Habang walang sakyan, dali. May bus. May bus. Sabi niya, lagi naman daw umuulan dito. Tapos last month daw, mas malakas paradang daw sa Pilipinas. Ano, dami rin nagtitinda ng bakit ba? Sa labas. Diyan ito kahangin, masarap matulog. Saan? Oo nga no. Meron din pala dito. Kain ka muna? Yeah. Ayos din yung ano, museum. Marami ka rin natutunan. Ang ganda. Naintindihan mo bakit daw marami silang ganyan mga gods. Bakit? Hindi. Kasi daw ano, gitna sila, di ba? Nagkaroon daw ng Buddhism saka ano, mga isang religion nila. Kasi magkahiwalay ang Vietnam. Ito. The Starbucks. May ATM din pala dito. Hawak. Tara. Bigyan natin. Elevator tayo pataas.
Kasi hindi na kaya mo. Kaya mo para hindi siya kumawag.
Kanin. Mamaya na, mag-elevator ka eh. Uy, lakas na. Oh, payong. Ay, tabi dyan. Asa ulan eh. Ayun na. Diyan ka mag-picture oh. Bigla umulan eh. Ayan tayo. Ayun oh. Hindi tayo makapag-picture. Lakas sa ulan eh.
Hindi, pwede din dyan ka-picture. Dito kayo.
On 1825, on this young man, because he came from the royal family, but he came to Iran and she decided to become the
Papunta natin.
Ha?
Ano pag next week?
Ikot dyan. Ano papunta?
Ano pag pupunta natin?
Ayun nga, yung 10 saka 11, 10, 9. 11, 10, 9. Oo. Ito at sila, mabagal na. Ganda sana ang picture oh. No?
Kaya pa ba sila dali na?
Oo. Straight lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Ito na, pataas na. Dahan-dahan lang. Dito na lang tayo sa kanan. Tamtay oh. Tamtay Pagoda tayo.
Mataas pa yan eh.
Oo nga, dyan na yan. Sabi sa'yo, bakit eh?
Mabuti nga hindi mainit.
Yan, doon pa tayo.
Hindi inganin ka.
Tamtay Pagoda tayo.
Kala ko Alma kaya na.
Diba yan? Oo, bababa rin naman tayo eh. Diretso tayo doon sa pinakamalaking tunnel. Ay, pinakamalaking cave.
Pasok na agad.
Kaya nga dahan-dahan lang eh. Kaya nga ito yung first day eh.
Pwede, sabi mo.
Oh, half day nga tayo dito dapat eh. Half day tayo dito eh. Diyan din. Ha? Basta dahan-dahan lang.
Huwag ka nga, di malumot eh na, daddy. Bakit ka? Sinabi na.
Sabi sa'yo eh. Oh, wait lang daw. Mataas pa.
Tingnan ko na lang muna.
Wala, dyan talaga daan. Malapit na yan, ayan na yun oh.
Tapos, pabalik ulit tayo sa elevator.
Ah, doon tayo pa ba? Kaysa magagdan tayo dyan. Ha? Ayan na, ipuan na dito. O, dito, pahinga. Oh, madulas, madulas. O, yan o, may puwan doon o. Ha? Ano?
Hindi rin na daw.
Ano siya? May bilihan din pala dito sa taas. Bakit? Ayun yung isa oh. Ayun oh. Kaso mukhang maliit. Huwag na yan. Bantong Cave. Mukhang maliit eh. Magpipicture lang sa loob kung gusto mo. Tamtay Pagoda na lang tayo diretso. Maliit eh. Ayun yung masikip.
Basta ka dyan.
No, ito tayo. Last picture mo rin kami. Ayan na, ayan na. Ah, ayan na. Pagoda, 500 years na daw yan. Oo. Ah, ito na pala. Oh, ayan, ito na pala eh. Picture muna kami ni Daddy. Andiyan na si Daddy. Oh. Oh, baba, baba. Tarik ka na, dito ka dyan.
Tak chceš jít na lásku jako na pravdu?
Ikat tayo. Malakas ka ulan? Ha?
Magana tayo sa tayo cave.
Thailand? Cave? Mula ba ba? Oo nga.
Ang ganda rin ako sa
Yan, sa elevator tayo. Dito ba tayo gagawin kanina sa kaliwa? Nagpicture na tayo dyan. Oo. Oo nga no.
parang mataas pala yung
Mother, ayan, beautiful.
Malapit na. ka dito. Ito. Correct. Mahal. Para maganda doon. Daddy, tingin tayo dyan sa baba. Medyo ano naman yung ulan eh. Kanina lakas eh. Oh, baba tayo. Yan tayo, tingin tayo dito kami. Ha? Mas marami pala dito marble eh. Ayun. Madulas na kayo, may hawakan. Kaya pa? Ah, mas maganda pala dito eh. Ayan no. Ayan no. Oh, mas maganda dyan no. Ayan, baba. Diyan tayo. Dali, may taas sa likod. Wala, video yan. Video. Videohan ko lang. Mas, cellphone ko ah. Malakas na. Ah, sila. Nawala. Diyan. Ito. Di ba maganda dyan? Ay, meron pa dyan. Ay, no. Ito? Oo, di ba?
Papalatan dito. Ay, dito ba? Dali. Meron ako sa Marina. Gusto mo yun? Ano yun sa Marina? One, two. Kanan sabat mo kami yung Italian. One, two.
Kaway kayo, kaway. Para may video. Video. Ah. Mamaya na lang, pagbaba. Pagbaba. Buti may hinahin na, para di ko makita sa baba, ano. Yun na. Yun na yung nakita ko.
Ang ganda no? Kahit maglakad-lakad ka lang dito.
Basta ganito lang kahina ulan, okay lang. Pag yung kanina, no? Oo, kasi
mainit.
Dahan ka para masama sila sa video. Pero ganda ng puno, no? Ayun, no? May sakura sila. May Buddha rin na doon. Ayun, no? May Buddha nga din. Si Lady Buddha, ayun yung pinakamalaki. Ayun, no? Bakit? Okay, sana. Importante nakita mo siya. Yun na, okay. Nakikita ko nga sa video eh. Dito sila sobrang init eh. Yun. Diba? Talon-talon sa Hong Kong. Ang laki. Sa atin walang ganyan eh. Kaya nga, ibig sabihin, alaga nila. Maganda sa ilalim yun. Ayan. Saan? Bahala rin. Dito, mahal. Mahal. Okay ka. Ginawa daw kasi ng Lady Buddha, pangligtas daw sa mga miners na. Kaya nakaharap sa dagat, sa ganyan. Pal, hello, kaway ka man.
We're gonna buy the spot.
No, you have to be careful.
Your phone. No, your back.
No, your phone too is gonna grab it.
Yeah.
May unggoy mahal. Ayun o, maganda pwesto ni mami dun. Wala siyang kalaban dun. Trihong. May dragon eh. Diyan.
Ayan o, dyan ka oo.
Ha? May unggoy.
Ayan.
Ikaw pa?
Wala ka kasing solo.
Halika na. Buda-buda. Ayan o, ang boy, daddy. Oh. Daddy. Ayun o. Oo. Ayan o. Hmm. Ah, si Jessica. Ha? Asan? Ah, hindi kita nakita eh. Hindi kita makita. Uy. Diyan ka na. Oh, video. Oh, kasama kayo sa video. Doon. Ayun sa dulo. Ay, ang ganda view. Maganda view kita isipin.
First time Pinroll. Before a lot
Bibuta rin.
Papapay.
Ay, nako. Bastos siya. Papa. Ay, ang dami yung ulo. Magabantay. Ang dami yung taas. Taas mo. Kaya mabinupuntahan dito eh. Doon mga picture mo. Doon. Ha? Dami mga picture. Ay, picture. Mas maraming siya kasama. Doon maganda ng picture. Doon mo. City view. Ay, nandito tayo. Dito tayo. Yan, ito yung pictures. Dito tayo mag-picture. At ako na isa. Kaya ba dito? Parang mas maganda.
Yan, picture tayo ka dyan.
Binali. Teka na, bakit gamit na kunin din?
Bang video sojo ko tapos 같잖아.
Kaya ano nakarami, nag-video din ganyan eh.
May binuksan niya vibes pala.
Hindi, may nag-video din.
Nakakala biscuit. Vibes pala.
Oh, dami nila oh. Oo nga, diretso na.
덥다.
Harap ka man. Oo, grabe wasak ko. Ang ano, ulap po. Yan ang dedication. Dapat ganyan ka rin, daddy. Dapat ganyan ka din. Kumuha ng picture. Silip tayo dyan, mahal. Silipin ko lang. Saglit.
Bawal na camera.
Ha? Bawal camera? Iba yan eh. Sino? Ano? Katya? Oh, sige na. Oh, sige na. Pasok na. Silip na sila. Hindi sila. Oh. Eh, nakakita na siya ng ganyan. Take off your shoes outside, please. Bawal ang sapatos. Dito lang tayo. Silip lang. Ganyan lang. Sa gitna.
Golden Buddha. Yan ang Golden Buddha. Bawal na makikita. Golden. Hindi na yung marmol.
Smile!
What's next?
Doon, sa pagoda. Ito kasi Lady Buddha. Pagoda naman tayo. May flagpole pala sa naman. Oo po sir. First day mo pala. Oh, kaway, kaway, kaway. Daddy, sini ka. Oh. Oh. Tignan mo yung ulap, oh. Mm-mm.
Para pa pwede nga magpasaya, kakasaya agad tayo. Parang nga kayo, may ganyan yun, daddy. Sa may tambo. Pang ganyan talaga ata.
Sipol yun. Sarang kayo sipol yun. Ito ang sipol yun.
Di ka sumilip dyan, Daddy. Sumilip ka na dyan. Dyan. Pares niya lang. Pro Buddha.
Dito mo parang may nagagawa sa nila.
Oo, yung maingay kanina. Ito, oh. Grabe, oh. Marmol, oh. Ito. Grabe, no? Ayun, oh. Sumusunod.
Oo, nabali yung mami.
Ah, dinikit na lang. Oh, drone shot. Drone shot. Maganda nga ito, mahal, pang drone shot, eh. Ang galing naman, oh. Andiyan pa rin, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Daming Buddha, oh.
Daming ba? Daming grab. Grabang.
Oo, toro grab yan.
Paano kaya sila?
Kulay dilaw, eh. Yung kagabi, yung grab natin, nakaparada na yon. Siya lang mismo naglalakad. Yung kagabi,
Grabang na siguro yun.
nakaparada na siya doon sa airport. Naglalakad siya, dala-dala niya na cellphone. Hindi siya yung napadaan lang, nandun na talaga siya. Oo, nag-aabang na talaga siya. Oo, may hagdan. Tagal yan. Taon yan, taon. Oo. Ay, yung pala mahal, eh. Mas maganda, eh. Drone shot ko yan, drone shot. Ah, hindi ko napansin kanina yan. Hindi ko nakita. Kanina, hindi kanina. Hindi ko rin napansin sa vlog kata yan. Yung Lady Buddha lang na pinansin ko. Dali, dali. Ah, wala masyadong tao. Drone shot ko kayo, ah. Oh, wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Ayun o. Oo, napamalo. Saka parang tahimik dito, no? Hindi pa na tayo dito? Migrate na tayo dito. Tahimik dito eh. Walang kaaway. Walang maaaway si mami dito. Hindi sila magkakaintindihan eh. Ayan o, itlog o, dami o. Pasok tayo dun. Oh, dito na yun eh. Hanap tayo ng ano. Iba yung pinanood mo sa YouTube ah. Hand market yun ah. Mas malaki nga to. Marami rin daw dito. Ayun kasi walking distance sa atin. Ha? Ba, hinahanap mo. Ano? Ay. Oo. Saan? Ano? Bibili. Kung ano makita natin dito. Bibili. Ito ang entrance. Ito yung entrance, ayan o. Ito na yun. Ito yun. Ito na yun. Ito yung entrance o, yung sa harapan nyo. Ito yun. Oh, bili ka. Mamơi. Pambukas?
30, 30, đi lên đây 30, chó 30, váy 30.
Oh, baboy daw. Turo ng turo si mami. Abante. Abante. Ayan, mamili ka na. Sasalubong mo? Ayan, mamili ka na kung gusto mo.
Không, loại như này 50.000 này bé.
Dito, tingin. Wala ka man kopi nakita eh. Wala ka pa nakita ng kopi. Oo, pang.
Nandito ba yun?
Ah, meron din dito. Ayun, Buddha. Wah, Buddha.
Rồi em này. Đúng rồi, đây đâu. Làm nó nước tặng đấy.
Sa lubong ata tayo, sa kabila tayo. Sa lubong tayo. Ha? May beef jerky rin sila. Kaya pa tayo mabili. Ito na, ha? Hindi mo naman kailangan ng crocs. Tiyak cake. Dito, titingin niya tayo ng pwede mabiling paregalo.
Puro ka ano eh, hindi mo ba nakita?
Hindi nga, naghahanap lang, naglalakad-lakad lang. Yung isa kasi sa hand market. Ayan, para magtanong. Ayan, gusto ko. Ayan. May 100,000 sila eh. Oo nga, meron. Wait lang. Ha? 120,000? Ano, 240. Nasa 250. Oh, pwede nga. 250. 250.
How much last price? Ano, mala na yan.
Oh, mahulog mo.
Pwede ba magtawad na hindi?
Oo. Ay, liwanag oh. Yun, dami pa pasalubong doon. Bibili yata mo sila pasalubong. Ay, view. Ay, hindi ko alam. Sinyar dito. O, yan, hindi diretso. Tumalo. Oo nga, berat magnet ka. Dito, souvenir sa kabila, puro pagka. Ay, may just, no? Original.
Ayan, yung magnet na no, Vietnam yan o. Ano, Vietnam souvenirs yan o.
Ito. How much? 150. 150. 300. This one? 50. 50. Okay. Tara, ikot muna tayo. This one, how much?
80. 80. What? 80.
How much? 80. 80. Okay. Okay. Welcome back. 120. Okay, welcome back. Thank you. 120 daw. Ay. Bumaba siya na 120. Labubo. Ay, hindi natin nakita sila, Daddy.
Hindi, antay mo na lang dito. Dito na sila nag-improve. Sino ba naiuso namin?
Grabe. Ay, man, hinahanap mo sombrero. Ay, man, pangpanyo mo. Ano? How much? Oh, meron din sila. Ano? Magkano? Wala yung bantay. How much?
70.
70?
Yeah.
Nakadaan na tayo sa kanina. 120 na. If we buy 2, 60.
Buy two là 130.
Buy 2, 130. 130. Buy two, 130. Kung gusto mo, ano? Si Mami, kung bibili ka.
Very cheap.
Oh, hati na tayo.
Have many design.
For that one, how much?
Only the again 40 for one.
40 for one.
You buy set, one set by 4. One set by 4 very cheap.
How much?
One set by 4 140.
140.
Yeah, one set. And you buy one set less by 12. Very cheaper. 25 for one. You know, you buy more,
More
very
discount.
cheap. This is that 140 by 4. You buy one set by 12, that's 25 for one.
Parang pwede sa atin to.
No, 35. You buy one set, 35 for one.
Ano, kung gusto ko na. Okay, JC. Ito, ang talay.
Ano ka na mami? Ito na lang ito mami.
Oo, kaso nawawala nga sila, Mami. Ayan, oh. Tanong lang tanong sa'yo, wala na sa pera din.
Doon na sa akin mga parang halatang ano. Ha? Ito ka na mami. Ano ka na sa amin ko? Isa lang ba sa atin?
Oo. Sino pa mabibigyan mo? Ayan na si Mami. Kala namin nawawala na kayo. Kaya nga, nawala kayo bigla sa harapan namin eh. O, tigisa tayo. Bibili ka ba? O, tigisa tayo. Ano? 70.
Nhanh lên trời. Ủa quá đi.
Malayo si Yar? Libre? Dali, dali!
Sa may pinakadulo may
Libre?
medyo rin na lalaki. Tapos sa labas lang, babae. May nakalagay 5,000.
Oh, may bayad ka. Ilang taon? Uy, lalaki.
Sa labas,
May bayad din.
wala. Tagiliran na pag
Ito dyan. Pandikit niya.
Ba't ang dami?
Ay, syempre, binigyan mo sa ako.
Oh, sino pa?
Sa amin.
Oh, sino pa?
Sabi ko, si Tina, bigyan mo si Tina.
Hindi naman nila kailangan yan.
Yung pira kailangan.
Hindi kailangan yan nun.
Pira kailangan.
Isa lang. Tigisa tayo para malaking discount. Oh, ito na sa'yo. Oo. Tiger Balm.
Mabigat din, sayang sa dito. Mabigat. Masira. Bakit daw?
Hindi naman. Kaso hindi naman. Pwede natin pa-display tayo. How much for this?
150.
150 for 3. Oh, 150. 70 lang, Daddy. Gusto mo kay tita?
Ba yan? Kaya ni...
Pan-display lang. Isa sa amin. Isa kay tita, isa sa inyo. Pan-display natin. Ano?
Hindi pesos yan?
150.
Sabi piraso.
Right, 150. No discount? 100. 100. 130.
Okay, last
Ah, ibigay mo pala dito.
120 last price. So 120 last price. 240.
Yan rin ganyan.
Oh, bigyan kayo dito. Ano sa inyo dito? Wala sa amin.
Sa pang bili mo.
Huh? Tapos bibigay mo sa kanila? Sure ka?
Hindi, separate. Sige, separate.
Ah, eto kay tita. Isang buo. Oh,
Ah, ano kayo maging?
ito.
Magkano ba yan? Magkano yan, Di?
Gusto mo sa atin sa bahay para mayroon rin naman tayo proof. Ano?
Di-display mo?
Oh, may display tayo.
Magkano
Kung
na
umalis tayo, may display tayo.
Magkano ba yan, Di?
Ah, siya, naglagay.
Okay, 100.
Magkano ba yan?
80.
No! No!
20 pesos, di ba?
This 150.
120.
Ah, 120. Get 2.
Oh, ito.
This one, 2. Oh, this one. Mami, nasa na isa? Na... Ito sa'yo.
Wow, bata nito? Sa Taiwan, may sikat dito sa Taiwan.
No, eh.
Ito sikat sa Taiwan. Ba't mas marami ito?
This one is...
Ay,
How much? 60?
No, 70 for one.
Ah,
Divide
okay.
to 130.
Ah, okay. Sorry.
Di, alam mo sa'yo, Di.
Ito na, meron na. Ito na sa inyo. Ito sa inyo, ito sa amin. Tapos ito kay daddy, ito sa...
Panjing, sa hilo.
Sa hilo nga daw.
Sige, Thailand.
This one, how much? What? 60 for one? Not 50. Ba't yun ito?
Sabihin mo, Di, ako Di, magkano sila mo to?
Yun ito?
Ano ba yan? May alok ka.
Hindi, ganyan siya eh.
Oh no, I have kinalaan.
Bukas niya yan. Silyado pa, oh.
Oh, dapat ganyan yun.
Dahil may dapat ang kay mama lugar ka
Wait lang, isa-isa lang.
Nabuksan na naman, Jing.
Oo.
Kinalaan.
Palista mo nga. Palista mo. Ano yan?
Oh?
Palista mo yung...
Oo, wait lang.
Bagong buka.
Ah, okay. Para lang dyan siya inhaler.
Hilo naman ang malaki.
Ah, inhaler talaga siya.
Para sa hilo.
100.
Can you, note? No. Okay, list.
Okay.
Dito ba yun?
How much for this?
60.
60. No discount. 50. We buy many.
Okay, no problem. You can.
Can you please list all the things? I need breakdowns of the items we buy.
Wait.
Bakit?
Wala, ang haba lang sila.
Para Manila.
Magkano ba silbir lang? Dinata ang kailangan mo dito. Ano yan? Walang mukha.
Hindi naman siya nagaganyan eh. Para maganda rin yun. Parang gusto ko nga ng Buddha eh. Hindi naman.
Saan sa atin? Okay naman.
Ito, pura lang naman kukunin natin. Ito kay daddy to. Ay, kay tita to. Kasi, ay, bigay mo na lang to kay tita nung, ay, hindi, galing na rin si tita nung dito. Ayan. Ayan na, nilista niya. Palista mo muna sa kanya.
Mahal na ito.
This one, 50. Wait lang, may isa-isa lang. This two is 120. 100. Then this two is 130. Okay. Ano pa ang kukunin mo? How much for that?
How?
This one. Tinatanong ko lang, how much?
130, 150, and 170. Small size 80. Small
Ah,
size
okay.
80.
Hindi, saan mo?
This one, how much? 100? Oh.
Expensive, very expensive.
Oh, wait ka lang. Huwag mo paggalawin. Hagating ka niya, baka hagating ka.
150.
Ano pa sa'yo?
This 100.
Diyan, magkano ba yung ganyan?
Ayan ang Buddha na
How about that Buddha?
Matangaw.
Drop lang.
Ano yan? How much for this one? This one, Buddha.
Buddha 120.
120.
100 na lang. 100 na lang. 100 na.
Ano mga ka?
Mura na yan. Di battery yan, di ba?
3.
Di battery siya, ano?
Ano na mga cup?
Anong cup?
Anong nagkakape?
Pwede. O, sa amin din. Magkano yan? Sandaan? Hindi naman na.
Sa iyo,
Can you
ilan sa'yo?
try, test? If
No.
Si daddy?
No battery.
No battery?
Yeah, no, but the
Okay.
Ha?
Di daw kailangan ng battery, ilaw lang. Si daddy, 3 daw.
Ilan
Hindi
sa'yo?
ko alam kay daddy. Wala, hindi kami bumili.
Tatlo.
100 each.
Without light, hindi siya gagalaw.
Hindi, ilan mo bibigyan? Bigyan mo na lang tinunong. Bigyan mo tinunong.
Tabi. May dadaan, malaki.
Isa sa akin.
Parang cute niya eh.
120.
Hindi, isa na lang nun.
Ano ba yan?
Yung kuha.
Iyan sa akin. Isa.
Figurine.
Sige, ano mo. Ano yung ito yan?
Ayusin na lang.
Magkano ba hindi?
Ano ang tingnan mo, di ba?
Oo.
Magkano yan?
120.
Hindi, magkano yan?
120.
Shit day. Write your name. Write your name.
How much?
Shit day.
60,000.
Okay.
Write your name. Great.
Ito 60 na lang.
100. Not in cash.
120. Mante.
One minute for lobster small size, a big size 1 minute 300 for lobster big size. For lobster 1 minute 300. I give more you oysters, scallop, and a vegetable. I cooking free for you. Barbecue with garlic butter with chili.
How much?
Yeah, 1 minute 300 for lobster.
1,300,000.
Yeah. I give more you for oyster, for scallop, and morning glory, and for prawn. Yeah.
Yan lahat, ang dami
Lobster
yan.
so fresh, no fresh, no money. Cooking free for you.
Okay lang kung dalawang pera.
We cooking
1.3.
You want to lobster beside?
Ano? Gusto niyo
You want
dyan?
to lobster or for lobster? You two lobster
welcome back,
beside.
welcome back.
Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. I did half for you. 1 minute 200 for full lobster. 1 minute 200. Yeah, and then no bread. Yeah, oysters, scallops,
4 lobster?
full lobster. 1 minute 200.
Tigil-tigil sa tayo.
Isa tayo.
Yeah, the whole thing 1 minute 200.
Dami naman daw. Opo. Bakit nga? Bakit isa? Kaya nga ako nga pa. Baka pwedeng dalawa.
Yeah, 1 minute 200.
How about 2 lobsters only? How much?
It's 600 for 1 kilo.
Ayan, pwede na yan.
Per kilo.
Yeah, 1
Hindi,
kilo.
kasi hindi natin kaya yan apat eh.
Mấy không?
O, ganun din.
Chính ra. Yeah, 900,000 for two.
Oh,
Nice.
okay na.
Have free? Like
Yeah,
this?
yeah. And same.
I
give more you for oyster, for scallop, and morning glory, garlic.
Octopus.
Okay. Okay. One oyster, but big size.
One.
The same. Okay. I like that. Yeah.
Only one?
I give you one.
Ah, one. Not two.
You very nice. Okay.
Gusto nyo?
Yeah, I
900.
cut and barbecue for sauce for you.
For the 2 lobster, what will you cook?
Yeah.
Ah, half.
Cut.
For
Yeah.
4 dishes.
Barbecue with garlic, onion, chili, and cheese. Mix for sauce is okay.
Okay. Okay na sa'yo. With rice?
Yeah, I have dry.
Is it included?
I have dry for 40 for one plate.
Ah, not
40 for 1 plate? Oh, it's good for 1 person.
2 person, you know.
out of it. How much for this?
This 150.
100.
Yeah, it's inside, it's brown with
Plain na lang tayo.
Plain na lang kasi may
Pero okay na ba sa inyo yun? 900 daw yun.
Kayo naman magbabayad. Ito, 4. Baka marami.
No free rice?
right. No, but I only because I only I only seafood and rice I order for you.
Ah, okay.
Okay, 4.
Okay. Okay.
Baka kailangan ko.
Need to pay.
Huh?
Are we going to pay for it? Yeah, later.
Later?
Later.
Okay.
How much again?
900?
900,000.
For all. For all and for rice. Yes, 900 and the four.
Okay.
For rice, 110. Yes, and then the rest is 160 for rice. Yes, okay.
Magkano daw? Okay, how much total?
40 each. 116 and 60.
Ah, okay. 1 million and 6.
You want the weekly have?
You have? Oh, okay. Thanks.
Thank you. Ah, si Daddy. Meron ka na eh. Meron ka na, order ka pa? Oh, sige na, order. Order na nga, order. Ha?
Kayo, mami? Barbecue chicken beef pork hay barbecue?
Xem thì giá lại xong nha. Lắp tới giang đi.
Seafood hot boss. Kasi wala sa mga seafood.
Hello, Vietnamese food. Try mini cake. Yeah. Local food. Là bánh xe Việt Nam. No, bún chả.
Hello, you want seafood?
Lo bán cái sớm xẻo. Sẽ nói sự đi nào. Bỏ bia em muốn xẻo.
Hello, có đâu? Hello, barbecue.
Sơ quả này khạp, อาหารทะเลไหนคะ
Em có để ý anh có hai bộ màu đen thui mà nó đen thui đúng không? Nhưng mà nó khác nhau.
Are you doing some money?
Ano na iwan? Ah, si Daddy. Daddy! Daddy! Thank you. Iikot? Hindi naman tayo dyan eh. Hindi tayo galing.
Yung sa mana?
Hindi, ayun yung souvenir.
Barbecue and noodles.
Hindi tayo galing nga.
Chicken,
Hindi tayo bumaba eh. Saan pa muna kami? Si Daddy. Hindi naman tayo dito galing. Doon tayo galing. Doon tayo galing. Doon tayo galing kanina eh. Kumanante eh. Doon tayo galing.
Dalawa ang labasan.
Talong mo.
Có gà con nướng này gì vậy?
Puro ano lang balat. Ito, laki yun. Yo, ito sa laki nun. Parang masama. Pero masarap ano? Wala nabili. Diyan tayo sa wala nabili.
Ice cream, shopping.
Parehas lang. Kaya magluwang tayo lang. No?
Ice cream.
Ay, sa kabila.
Shopping. Shopping. Ủa? Ê, bố mày ốc cắp hả bố? Rồi, chúa luôn á, chẳng bao giờ lên cao.
So where's the other guy gone?
Wala marami. Wala marami.
Mày mà không ăn là đời không lẽ tao nói tiền đó. Chẳng nó băng động thấy không? Cái đậu bánh ngọt rồi mày ra đấy ăn bánh ngọt này. Ai biết đi đâu. Anh xem biết lỗi thì em sẽ bắn ra biết lỗi đâu. Má đầu chạm vô biết khổng lồ à.
Ay, kinamay.
Ý là đầu chạm vô thấy là khổng lồ hóa luôn á. Ý là khổng lồ hóa được.
Ah, ito kay Daddy, bayabas. Ah, sa'yo Daddy, bayabas. Buko ulit.
Dati na mababala ng ano eh, 10,000 eh. Tapigay na dito.
Buko ka ulit?
Dito pala kinuha yun eh.
Ha? Buko ka ulit? Hindi ako matamis eh. Lakad muna tayo si Dragon. Dito para kapag-pigil tayo. Sa ulo. Ito, tanong tayo dito. Magkano kayong candy? 35?
Kano ngayon yung binili mo?
Oh! How about 25? 25? 25? 25? 20. Kuha tayo?
Dito na tayo, para rin naman. Ay, mahal ito.
If we buy more discount? No discount. No discount.
Coffee. Coffee.
Coffee 30.
How much?
30.
30?
25.
25 daw, 25. No. Oh, nagagalit, nagagalit.
Again.
Wala siya ng coffee.
Ito ano to? Ah, mango.
Không, phẹt cho nó.
How much for this?
Xem.
25. 25 din pala to, same lang.
Ano siya na?
Ano ba yan?
Mango din, mango.
Hindi, yan kasi assorted.
Oo,
Ba't
assorted.
dalawa? Ay, kana ano? Eli.
Sa atin. Ba, pwede rin kay Ellie. Ikaw, bibili ka pa ba?
Magkano pang 50 pesos? Ikaw. May ano na tayo eh. Isang
Oo, wait lang.
Anong lasa nito?
Hindi ko alam.
Tawag dito?
Kahit natingin lang. Meron din dito, Jelly Ace. This one, how much? 30.
Yeah. Small size. Red color.
This one?
400. 400. Discount 350,000.